Hey, do you want to be a popular YouTuber someday? Then maybe this is the right video that you are looking for. By the way, my name is Fiddle, and I am here to show you on how to start or create a YouTube channel using your smartphones only. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So before we start, make sure to like this video, leave a comment, tap on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more videos. This video is requested by unknown name. Thank you for your suggestion, Fiddlings. What do you want me to do? If you have any suggestion, then use the comments section below. So the first thing that we need to do is create a new Google account. And if you are just a beginner like me, then I recommend to you to create a new Google account or Gmail account. Then if you have already registered an account, you can skip or fast forward this video, if you want. And if you don't, then watch this video until the end. To create, just follow the step-by-step process. Go to your phone setting. Tap on the account button. And press the Add Account button. Tap on the Google logo. I recommend to you guys to create a new Gmail account, that there is not yet a website or application connected to your account. The purpose of these is to prevent damage to your future YouTube channel. Tap on the Create Account button. In this area, it gives you an option on what do you want to use with your Google account. It's your choice if you select for myself or for businesses. Reminder, if you have any requests or suggestions, then you can use the comments section below. Reminder, upon filing this form, make sure to take it seriously. Do not file a false information, or else, it may affect your future YouTube channel. And as a faster way to log in your account, then it's okay not to put the @gmail.com and put your password. It's your choice if you want to put some recovery number or recovery email on your Google account. After that, just tap on the confirm button to proceed. After you logged into your account, just tap on the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen. Make sure to enable the desktop site, to make your browser looks like similar to computer. Just tap on the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on the Create Channel button. In this area, it's your choice whether you choose to select the name of your Google account, or create a brand name or different name. By the way, it's all the same. So I will continue to use my Google name. To add a profile picture, just tap on the Select a Photo button. And find a picture that you want to use. You can add some description about your YouTube channel. Tell something about your YouTube channel. For example, tutorials, how-tos, gameplays, life hacks and etc. Or you may want to include your social media account links, for some inquiries. And there you go, you're all set. You can now start uploading videos whenever you want. Don't know how to upload videos? Watch me and I will show you how. Just tap on the upload button. And tap on the Select File button, and find a video that you want to upload.